Gonna get the one to go signal this time by. Starting on the pole will be the number 49. That is Hope 49. And it's the 27 of Kyle Chandler. Starting third is Jackson Visit in the blue 27. And it's the number 30. That is Ryan Turcott. Jeffrey Main in that number 44. And it's the 69 of David Lamson. And rounding out the field, that is Katie Buxton in that number 55. Joe Brady looked at the field over, green flag, we are underway. Another division that is starting to grow here on $5 Fridays, presented by Little Billy's Tees. Good battle towards the front. The battle is between Turcott and Lamson. They are side by side for the third spot. In that number 69 is in the third spot. He's got that truck rolling through the corners. This season, and also the number 27 of Kyle Chandler. 69 he crosses over the number 27 and he finds himself in the second spot. That's starting to take away. Trying to get through those corners quick. Going to work. Here comes Jackson Izzy now. He gets to the inside. Side by side. Jackson Izzy goes to the fourth spot. number 27, Kyle Chandler. He was running in the third spot, and the tire comes off. That's going to wreck and stack the field again. Tough break for Kyle Chandler. This is his first trip this year here at Star Speedway. Was having a great run. 5-lap shootout. Well, wait a minute. Skip had to stop on the track. The yellow's going to have to stay out. You're going to have to pick it up just a touch. All right, we are coming to the green. We beat out the yellow, trying to get the racing in here so we can get you home nice and early. You can be here tomorrow for 4:15 for racing. 49.69. Set the pace. Green flag. I don't know. That went down. Jump break. We are gonna go yellow. 69 of Dave Lamson jumped the start on the 49. Loving that caution coming back out. 69, Lamson got a jump on that. Here we go, gonna go green this time by. If Lamson jumps again, he will go tail. Let's see how this start's gonna be in the Humvees Auto restart zone. We are underway, green flag is out again. Side.